Welcome to my channel again. How are you doing? I hope you had a very lovely celebration. Today we shall be learning how to make this beautiful Nigerian puff puff. You know, New Year is just in a bit. Okay, so to make this puff puff, we shall be needing 500 grams of flour, 2 tablespoons of yeast, half teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of salt, 150 grams of sugar, and 2 cups of lukewarm water. So I'll be mixing in my dry ingredients now. Okay, it's an all-in-one method. Pour everything inside. And then you mix everything thoroughly. Okay, so this is the cup I'll be using to measure water. So just keep mixing this until everything is thoroughly mixed. When it is well combined, you will see it and you just let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how much time you have left. Puff puff is a snack that is commonly eaten in Nigeria in parties. It is usually called a small chops. Okay, so we have the new year coming up in a few hours from now. I decided to share this video with you so that you can do it and enjoy it with your family. Okay, so this is a couple of minutes later. It has doubled in size and we are about to start frying. Have you ever watched these women who fry puff puff in the middle of the market? Do you see the speed with which they do it? I've always wanted to learn her skill. I'm yet to learn that. Maybe it will be in my bucket list for 2021. Anyway, to fry this, I always use put some water in a little bowl close to me, because once you dip your hand into the water and take some of the batter, it doesn't stick on your fingers. It comes off easily. So that water is a lifesaver. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please, I would love you to give me a special New Year gift. Just look below and press the subscribe button. And also don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will know when we post beautiful videos like this. In this coming year 2021, we are hoping to post weekly videos on different cake decoration. So if you love cake decoration or you just want to learn some little bits about baking or doing some little things for your family, then you are at the right place. Hit the subscribe button. Have